Hello, for assignment 18.1, we opened this connecting to Excel files in Power BI and then got data from an Excel workbook. We just chose this first one here. And when we opened it, it opened the queries. My apologies that it's not already open. Let's see if I can redo it. Anyway, we wanted to choose the table, the worksheet, and the named range, and then transform the data and upload it. And then we go through and simply turn off the enable load, and then we grouped these three together, and then closed and applied. And as you can see, it didn't load any data here. All right, thank you.